Hey everyone, are you still typing the sum formula every time you need to calculate totals in Excel? If you're adding numbers one by one, you're wasting valuable time. Let me show you a much faster way that every Excel professional uses. Here I have a list of sales amounts, and I want to calculate the total. Instead of typing equals sum and selecting the range manually, simply click the empty cell below your numbers. Now press Alt plus equals on your keyboard. Then press Enter. Boom! Excel automatically detects the range and calculates the total instantly. But here's an even better trick. What if you need totals for multiple rows or multiple columns at the same time? No problem. Select the number of sales data you have. If they aren't next to each other, simply hold the Control key while selecting multiple cells. Now press Alt plus equals once. Boom again! Excel calculates every total at the same time without writing a single sum formula manually. And if you prefer using the ribbon, you can also click the autosum button from the Home tab to get the same result. Simple, fast, and much more professional. If you found this Excel shortcut helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Let's Learn for more powerful Excel tricks and productivity tips.